Birthday to you. Wow.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, dear Mia.
Happy birthday to you. Go wish. Ah. One more time, so didn't wish.
There you go.
Big wish.
Okay, wish. Wish first. Oh, that should be 5.
Listen, they only sell those phones.
I know.
What are those? It's for friends.
I think Ethan. Hi. Abaga.
Give her a knife to cut it.
Cake.
Mia's cutting it?
It's cake.
She's cutting
You can't hold this while you.
the last ones.
Ooh, look at that.
Here we go.
Ooh, she's cutting it.
On my birthday, I get to do it.
So, how old are you now, Mia?
5. Just
All
cut
right.
straight down.
Just push it down.
It's not that big.
Do this big, do this big, do this big.
No.
Okay.
Alright, just push it down, sweetheart.
You want help?
It's,
Why can't
it's again soft.
Watch out, special. Is this your slice?
Or is that for Ethan?
For me.
Okay. You want a tiny one.
I'm keeping this balloon. Okay? No, it's
Ooh, yeah!
I can keep it.
Ooh.
Keep it, Luke. It's mine.
Okay. All right. Who's next?
Who's next? Get your plates. Go get in line. Hurry, go get in line. Go get in line. Sure. Go ahead.
All right. How about you,
Go
Ian?
get in line.
Luke, go over
I'm getting in
there.
line. I'm gonna get my cake before you, Luke.
Oh, get in line, Luke.
Get forks.
Get forks.
Where's Ethan?
6.
Ooh, that's Daddy's. That's big. I want just one small. That's good enough.
Got one?
All right, that's for me. Thank
What'd you
you.
wish for?
Out of plates.
Oh,
Do we have anyone?
right there. Just dump that thing.
Here, this is for Ethan. And here's.
Oh, thank you. Ooh.
Under my bubble. Ethan, sit down, baby. You got cake. He rolled over.
Help him.
Where's Ethan? Ethan, go get
Look,
your
baby.
cake. Ooh, yummy.
Ethan.
Look at Ethan.
Look at this.
Ethan, go get cake. There you go.
Come sit.
He knows his chair.
Huh? Mia.
So get all the obstacles in line.
Mia, take the mic from me. Please don't get cake on the microphone.
Yes, take it. All right. So happy birthday, Mia.
Alright, turn it off.
Let's go.